Hello everyone, welcome back my channel. Today I help you how to create new object with properties similar to existing object in drawing AutoCAD. Okay, so let's go. Now you look at the screen. I have some object, for example, circle, text properties, circle, and polyline, and heads, escape heads. Okay, so wait a minute, check heads. Okay, so how to create new objects with properties similar. Okay, so now you can add selected command in AutoCAD. For example, how to create new circle, similar properties similar current objects, laser, tool, circle, and now you can add selected command. Add selected, click here, select circle, and draw circle, new circle, very easy. Property, laser, to circle. Okay, again for example, heads, how to heads circle, similar properties, this heads, very easy. As select this heads, and click here, enter. Okay, very easy. Has laser trees. Okay, very easy. Continue, for example, this objects, polyline. Okay, so select polylines, and create new objects, polyline, very easy. Okay, two objects are similar properties. Okay, very easy. Okay, so the end this video to the end here. If you feel this video helpful, please subscribe, like. Thank you so much.